In this video, you'll learn how to change the WP login URL in WordPress for better security. Changing the login URL in WordPress can help enhance security by making it less predictable and more challenging for potential attackers to access the login page. Anyone can guess the login URL of my website by opening the site in private or incognito mode. Anyone with my site URL can easily add a /login like this and might access my login page. So, I've made this video to show you how to change this login URL. In order to solve this problem, log into your WordPress website, and you just need to install this plugin, WPS Hide Login. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing the plugin, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, let's activate the plugin. Once the plugin is installed and activated, hover over Settings and click on WPS Hide Login in the sidebar. You can see various settings over here. On scrolling a little, you can set the settings to change the Hide Login URL. You can change your login as well as redirection to the URL here. So instead of logging in, I'll enter a secret login here. You can change it as per your need. And once you're done, simply click on Save Changes. You can see the new URL is now live. Let's test the plugin in action. Moving back to the site, opened in incognito mode, when I enter login here, you can see the 404 error page appears. To access the login page, we need to write a secret login here in the URL like this. You can see the login page here. It's now difficult for someone to guess the login URL. So you see, this is how easy it is to change the WP login URL for better security. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.